Hello and welcome to my new YouTube channel, Nordic EDC. Today I'm going to show you the Victorinox Swiss Army knife, and to be more precise, the model called Waiter. I think this is a very good EDC knife because it's small, lightweight and pretty cheap. And you get all the, or at least some of the more useful features of the Swiss Army knives. Of course we got the Swiss Army knife blade, and then we got the bottle opener. That's also a combined tool with a flathead screwdriver, and if you hold it slightly tilted, it also functions as a Phillips screwdriver. Bottle opener and cable stripper. Then of course we got the corkscrew back here, and I've put in this modification with the Victorinox flathead screwdriver. It's actually quite useful for opening small electrical devices that have a locked battery compartment and things like that. Then I've put in a needle. I'm not sure if the needle is provided with the knife, but I've put in my own needle. Of course, it can be quite useful. Let me just put in this, and then of course we got the standard Victorinox toothpick and also the tweezers. So it's actually quite some tools in this cheap and small package, and very lightweight. And made this maybe a little bit long for the knife. Thank you. Goodbye.